Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize legitimate meal and travel deductions for your business, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim expenses correctly while avoiding IRS problems. Step 1. Understand that ordinary and necessary business meals are 50% deductible when dining with clients, prospects, or business associates to discuss business matters. Step 2. Document every business meal immediately by recording the date, location, amount, business purpose, and attendees either in accounting software or expense tracking apps. Step 3. Keep all receipts for meals costing more than $75. For smaller amounts, maintain electronic or written records with the same required information. Step 4. Deduct business travel expenses including transportation, lodging, and 50% of meals when traveling away from your tax home overnight for business purposes. Step 5. Separate personal and business portions of mixed-purpose trips. Travel days must be primarily for business to deduct transportation costs, but you can add personal days. Step 6. Understand that entertainment expenses are generally not deductible after tax reform, even when combined with meals. Separate meal costs from entertainment when possible. Step 7. Use the standard mileage rate for business vehicle travel, or track actual expenses if you prefer that method. Keep a contemporaneous mileage log with dates, destinations, and business purposes. Step 8. Implement consistent record-keeping systems and processes. Use apps that photograph receipts and track expenses automatically to ensure you never miss deductible costs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.